To you? Can you sing happy birthday? What? Well, your mouth's full now, cupcake.
Happy to you.
Again? Isabella? Can you sing again?
Happy.
Happy what?
Emily.
You all done?
Right there.
Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Can you sing?
Nothing.
Yeah, sing.
Nothing.
Yeah, it's cream. Are you done singing?
No.
Okay, then sing. Give Matt a kiss. Give Matt a kiss. Oh, so nice.
Thank you.